Hello everyone. First of all, I would like to thank you for the Evision team for helping me to get a job in IT company. Myself, Vinod Kumar Pusluri. Basically, I am from Hyderabad, which is located in Telangana state. Coming to my qualification, I have done my graduation BSc Computer Science from Kakatiya University in 2019. After my graduation, it is very hard to get a job in IT company. Through one of my friend, I got to know about Evision Technosar Private Limited. I did a lot of research and I finally joined in online full-day job internship in November 1st in 2022. Here the trainers are very experienced and their teaching style is very innovative and excellent. They trained me on the concepts like virtualization, ITL, cyber security, Linux administration, Windows administration, and these concepts are helped me to clear the technical rounds in IT companies. Finally, I got selected in WIPRO company with a decent package. Once again, thank you for Evision team.